What is a NIF in Spain? If you're planning to do business in Spain, understanding the NIF, previously called the CIF, is essential. The NIF is the tax identification number for companies and is required for everything from issuing invoices to employ staff. For companies, the NIF is a unique code that combines letters and numbers, indicating the type of entity and its location. To obtain a NIF, you'll need to gather documents like the Application 036 form, proof of identity, and a certificate of good standing. Submit these at your local provincial tax office. You'll first receive a provisional NIF, allowing you to start operations, and later a permanent one after verification. For freelancers, your DNI or NEA serves as your NIF. Consider professional help to ensure a smooth process.